love. Are you there? Listening to my little prayer. I don't know exactly what to say. I've been told that you love me. Hear you when I call, but help me if I fall. I should let you have your way. What I guess I'm trying to say is I need you in my life. 'Cause I know I'm tired of living in the past. I would like to take a chance of a change down deep inside. 'Cause I know I'm tired of living in the past. So hear me, it's my heart. It's been wounded, it's been broken, and I give it all to you. If you love me, here's my heart. If you want it, you can have it. I will give it all to you because you love me. Your love is everything I need.